It's a viewer request today on Yester Kitchen, and I have picked something just fabulous. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. It would be an honor to have you join us as we explore retro history through food. Okay, so today is a viewer request, and I would like to thank Ed K for making the request. He was very vague in his request, which gave me lots of options. So he said, can you make a retro either potato salad or macaroni salad? That was it. So I found a good one for you. I've chosen to make a macaroni salad, and actually today it's a great name. Today we're going to make a Carousel salad, which is straight out of 1969, and it's not your average macaroni salad, which is kind of why I picked it. So, macaroni salads. So really when they kind of reached their beginning was in the 1950s. So all the soldiers were home from World War II, families started settling down, and the backyard barbecue was huge. So, you know, people would barbecue steaks or burgers, and of course you need side dishes. So housewives wanted something really easy to put together so they can enjoy more time in the backyard. So potato salads were very popular, coleslaws were very popular, and actually if you want a really good one, I give you the history of coleslaw. And coleslaw with blue cheese and bacon, come on. Deviled eggs, hugely popular. Oh, you need a recipe for that too? I deep fry them, all the history. But today we're concentrating on macaroni salad, and I'll do potato salad later. So macaroni salad really was kind of an invention of the 50s, 60s. There were tons of macaroni hot dishes, but not cold. And then someone got the bright idea of having some cold macaroni, making a mayonnaise sauce similar to a potato salad, and the macaroni salad was born. Now actually it really reached its heyday in the 80s with the pasta salads, the nouveau trendy pasta salads. But we're gonna go back in time today, 1969. This Carousel salad is a little unusual. Let me show you why. So we're gonna start with spaghetti. Yep, we are not doing the elbow macaroni, we're doing spaghetti. So let me catch you up. I took a half a package of spaghetti. What you wanna do before you cook it is break it into thirds. Yes, I know you're not supposed to break spaghetti, but for this dish, you definitely want to. And you cook it according to the package directions. And then you're gonna go ahead and put it under cold water and chill it. Now when it chills, sometimes the starches solidify and now the noodles stick together. So if that happens for you, just put like the tiniest bit of olive oil and just kind of play with your food and separate all the spaghettis. Of course, with impeccably clean hands. So Ed, I hope you're ready because this is gonna go quick. So we're gonna take our spaghetti and we're gonna add 1 cup of shredded carrots, and a half a cup of chopped celery. Get it all in there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and see, this is why you wanna separate your noodles out first, because you're gonna mix these adorable vegetables and kind of make it colorful. Why is it called Carousel salad? I don't know. But I'm gonna take a wild guess that it has just fun colors and it's a little different. Okay, now we're gonna make our dressing. So let's get our pasta out of the way. And I'm gonna bring in, I have a 2-cup measuring cup with a half a cup of mayonnaise in it. Whenever I make a dressing, I like to make it in a large measuring cup because it's just easier to fold. You can do whatever you want. Okay, to this mayonnaise, we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of dried basil. Okay, here comes the kickers. I have 2 tablespoons of chopped dill pickles. I always have a little jar of dill pickles in the house, you know, for when you're making hamburgers or the kids want sandwiches. So I just grabbed a couple of those pickle chips. Whatever you have will work. And in go the pickles. And then to amplify that pickle flavor, I have a teaspoon of dill pickle juice. You know, the juice right out of the jar. And in we go. And I'm telling you, it is delicious. It's different. And I love different. Okay, so this is all mixed together. So all that's left is to bring back our beautiful pasta and mix it together. Now, if you're not gonna serve this right away, and I really hope you make it, this is history, guys. You're eating history. It's fabulous. Okay, if you're not gonna make it right away, Keep the pasta and the dressing separate and toss it all right before you serve. And then, here we go. You're just gonna keep mixing and mixing and mixing until, of course, it's all coated. So give me 1 second to finish this up. So I think everything is beautifully coated. Look how easy that came together. The modern housewife of the 60s would love it because everything was about convenience. So she could spend more time with her family and her house. Okay, so now all we're gonna do, you can't just leave it in the mixing bowl. You absolutely can. Is put it in a beautiful little serving bowl. Now you can let this chill, but don't let it go for more than 20 minutes because, like I said, the mayonnaise will make pasta very mushy. And there you have it. Carousel salad right out of 1969. The only thing left to do is serve it up. And I highly encourage you to try these recipes of the past. They're absolutely my passion. And they're so, so good. There you have it. Carousel salad with your carrots and your celery and your pickles. It's so different, I'm telling you. Give it a try. So thank you so much, Ed, for making the request. If you have a request, I'd love to hear it. Or if you have a family recipe along with a story about the recipe, I would absolutely love to hear that too. By the way, this recipe came from the Better Homes and Gardens Salad Book of 1969. They actually had quite a few. This one is just, well, they're all fabulous, but this is the Carousel Salad Home. Thank you, 1969. I love every book. Every book is a treasure. If you would like to explore more dishes from your childhood or just the past, I invite you to subscribe. I release new videos every Tuesday and Friday. In the meantime, there is some more retro dishes for you. And remember, every dish, even carousel salad, has a story. I'll see you in the next video.